Alright guys, Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas. Thank you for everybody who's subscribed and commented on my videos and liked my videos. Don't forget, on the 31st, I am giving away 2 packs of the 151. Those 2 packs are right here. Today, I'm going to open up what I have left of 151. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So let's see how many I can get through before I get extremely exhausted. I still have to go to my mom's house today for dinner. So we'll see how many I can get through before. Look at that. We got a Holo Rare Jolteon. That's a nice one. Now guys, I know some of you may not like it, and I'm pretty sure somebody commented and said that the Holo Rares or whatever, you know, they're not worth much or anything really, but for me, it's more about, I like the way that the card looks, you know. I don't really care about the value of the cards. Now, while I would like to get my money back, if I ever do decide to sell any of these, you know, the value of the cards isn't the most important thing to me. It's about whether I like them or not, and if they're cool, and the journey, and the friends that we make along the way, and everybody that's watching these videos and subscribing and commenting. I'm happy to be a part of this community. I will find a way to link the giveaway video in this video somewhere, so you guys can go comment on it and like it, and subscribe, so you can be entered in to win those 2 packs of 151. Apparently my camera's about to die and I need to plug it in. So stand by while I do that. There we go. Alright, we're charging. We're cooking with gas here. Let's get this cord out of the way. There we go. Alright, if you guys don't know, Eevee is my favorite Pokemon. All of the Eeveelutions, I guess you would call them. So that Jolteon is really nice to get. Oh, we got a... Look at that. Look at that Arbok. That is a nice looking card. I don't know what these packs came out of. I bought them on Rare Candy, just as loose packs. So I don't know if they came out of poster collections or boxes, or if they came out of booster bundles or booster boxes, which I haven't seen a like a 36 pack booster box of 151, so I really don't know where these came from, but I bought them on Rare Candy. There we go. We got a Holo Chansey, a non-holo Grimer in there, and then a Kingler. And that Chansey is going to be our rare. And try to keep this video under 10 minutes. Whatever we've opened by 10 minutes, that's where I'll stop. We got a Ditto, and a Weezing, and a Green Energy. I think the Green Energy was the last energy holo that I needed, actually. I am sleeving up all of the hollows because who knows, maybe somebody wants them, some kid will want them, or my kids will want them. Though I do not have any kids right now. When I do, maybe they'll want these. And when I was a kid, I did not take very good care of my cards, as you guys saw in my video where I found my 25-year-old Pokemon cards. A lot of them are beat down. And I didn't have a Charizard. So maybe I'll get a Charizard today. Spoke it into existence, I guess. Look at that. Yes, sir. Thank you. Spectacular. I'll have 14 of them. Let's get this bad Larry in the sleeve. That is that's the card of the day to beat. Now, if I could get a SIR Charizard, then we'd be talking. Oh, he fell. Charizard, fly. There we go. Stay up. I've also got 50 packs of Crown Zenith I need to open. I don't know if I'm going to open all 50 and hold on to some of them or what. Look at that. We got the Zapdos, too. I don't know if I'm going to open up all 50 or open up, say, 25 and hold on to 25 of them, or, you know, whatever I decide to do. I will give away some of those as well. And then I still have a whole box of Paldean Fates tins to go through in hopes of getting that Bubble Mew. All right, let's put these full arts up here. All right, we're at 7 minutes and we got 4 packs to go. I'm over here yapping. Got a regular Bulbasaur, a Drowsy, and a Beedrill. Oh, come on, give me one of the SIRs. Oh, we got a Nidoking. That's pretty nice. And we got another Zapdos EX. I haven't seen a lot of these cards. I haven't really seen any pictures or videos of these cards. So I don't know what any of these are worth. But that's an interesting one there, the Nidoking. I'll put that up there. All right, we got 2 more. We're at 8.5 minutes. I want to keep this just at 10 minutes or under. I can see something back there. Please be good. Fearow, Rapidash, Almost-Star. Nope. All right. Last pack magic. Lucky number 11. Can we do it? Can we pull an SIR or a full art? Ah. Come on. Come on. Voltorb and a Venusaur EX. All right. Well, honestly, I think we did pretty good. I'm not going to scan these regular hollows, but I will scan these in the back for you guys real quick, just so we can see what we're working with. I got 30 seconds to meet that 10-minute mark, like I said, and I don't think we're going to do it. All right, Venusaur, Nidoking, Arbok, Zardy, Zapdos, Zapdos again. That Voltorb is nothing. So let's see, come on. Come on, $1.16 on that Zapdos. Where's that Jolteon? I want to scan that Jolteon. Alright, we're over 10 minutes now, guys. I'm sorry. I tried. Alright, so 67.27 is where we're at. That Nidoking was $10. The Venusaur, $1.73. Arbok was $8.77. Charizard EX is $44. Oh. That Zapdos isn't showing up. There we go. That Zapdos is $11. All right, so 67.27 plus 11, that's 88 or $78. So we opened 11 packs and we got 78 bucks. That is not a bad turnaround for 151. I've been getting my butt kicked by 151 lately, so I will take that. I will take that all day. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, I forgot about this basic energy. I got 2 of these. I gotta scan these because these are worth like $1 each, I think. Sorry, I'm not trying to extend the video, I promise. Yeah. They say Crown Zeniths, but they're 151. Alright, well, they're about $1 each. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.